never shown much of the music video because never want to give away too much of the behind the scenes. But yeah, the video I released. Now one of the later vlogs I'm gonna tell. I make sure vlog at least a day before the release of the video and put it up. But my head don't have book now. Right now I'm gonna pay for this car. This fuck off me, I walking in the sun. Sorry for the expletives people, but I really hate the sun. So right now I'm gonna book him and link him and find out which part he want to shoot the video. How can I get this over with? So print out until then. Alright, so apparently book him over there, yeah, but I get him. I'm myself go up on location. Someone just reached. Oh, I'm tired. People look at me, I forgot jump. Cleat. You on the door laugh and the same jump in the butt. Look. Yo, now is the worst time. It pays to not have a belly. But hold on there. Right. I'll make it over now. Supreme there. I look at the crocodile then, but there I'm gonna start cussing now. See me on this people. Nothing you can see. Yeah, that looks up the water, throw water. Some stone in the water. Yeah, I'm there. See where I'm going. So which one I shoot? Pan over here, so we're not gonna cross, don't it? You must be mad. Now go cross that green something here. So yeah, people. There. Tired. That was a good walk. It was a good 25-minute walk, but reach. So I have to cross this, as you can see, and make sure it's in the crocodile no catch way. But let's see it go. The vlog I upload, that means I'm gonna leave the crocodile invasion, you see me? But let's watch and see what I want. Alright people, we're finally reaching the journey room. Just have to go through. You have to blame book coming up. Blood Peter, where so much was come from?
Hello, you should have heard him.
See him? People want to see him? Holy fucking. Look, come here, go through. Go through this. Hold on there, hold up bag here. Alright, now the people. Blood clot. Yeah, there.
You run through hood?
People, I'm gonna step on the nail. I'm gonna show you right now. People, put the nail on my nail, step on, man.
Everybody there.
It's all my nail running. I'm showing the worst them. Yeah, man, I know, man. I'm not gonna close, huh? See this, huh? Yeah, wax. I don't know what kind of game. So, I set up the ghost day night. All I've discovered. You know what I mean? Some handcuffs. I don't know what kind of game this brother I play because these are not real handcuffs. So I don't know, you know. But we're just there. So ready for shoot. I don't know where this man find this location, but Janu been finding it. But
Prince
this is
the guy behind the decks, me is the guy that out. Ask me for me marks the location more. I use it for bus the youth them in a youth.
well, last man say for your location, sir. But the mosquito here do. Nothing could warm about them.
Black world.
Yeah, the mosquito here. Not normal, but work with them. Alright people, so we just done the first set of scenes. And we never bad still, as I don't know. Supreme director, so.
Yo, people.
Book it there, so.
Look out for that short film. See the big bad director, yeah. Him there alongside me and show me 2 ropes and you know him work already, you see me? So just look out for these people. As you can see another vlogger going up, there's a book way. We saw what them call it, crossfire vlogs, like big up one another and post things together. But you soon see that work the people. Just go and subscribe to our channel.
We're well busy, that's why.
Yeah.
Actually we're busy, but don't worry, the link's still there, nothing no change.
Prince, I show them the forest already.
No, I'm not show them everything, but say the Grim Reaper, yeah?
No bossing it.
So show them the Grim Reaper.
Ah, murder. That's how we do it in Jamaica, people. Trust me. We have a whole heap of ideas. Just wait till the right people them start see it, and we get more people in the camp. We can act and assist with a lot of stuff.
Yeah, that too.
We make big and better projects. But right now, as you can see, this is the team.
And don't reach out to if you can't work hard. If you have some hard people who can't work, I don't mean hard, like hypey, like yo. You have some people try coming at the camp, but them can't put in the work.
Them not consistent.
So
not one
them
bit.
just burn out, like burn out.
But what they do it, next scene I do right now, so I'm checking them back when we're done. I'll leave out now. Eh? No? I have the drone with me. Mate, I need to tell me what I need to bring when I come on them trip here. Yeah, people, they are head through this. This is not even a forest, this is where a bag of crocodiles are. Cleat. Alright. Now, we'll head to the next location to shoot the other running scenes them. Alright. Yes, people. There. We over there, so I come from. That was a nice little scene still, I can't complain. Boy, it's nice. So look out for more of them adventure shoots. And more time I just shoot me busy and book I'm busy. So we don't really go on them adventure like one time. But if you watch some of my past videos them, see the link right here, so you watch most of my past videos them, yes enough of the adventures them we'll go on. So right now we'll head over to the next one. We show no one going Supreme. But this are going like say I'm clueless. We're there.
Lucid.
Welcome to what they call the dump. So yeah, we have to. This is what we have to go forget with shots then. So this is the famous dump that a lot of people talk about. Just there, a long journey. I go all the way up there, so forget the shot. So speaker in her hand, body there in front of me. Just there, I go and chat. You don't know the work I have to do every single day, rest of my life. Well, I'm supposed to say I'm supposed to hear a whole heap of wind. So book on me a vlog.
So vlog link up. Vlog link up.
Vloggers link up.
Yo.
That's a link up. So now, people, you're now going to see the rest of the journey. I can swear we're up on the next island. Bear in mind, people still up on the dump. So the dump look, so a lot of people think it's just piles and piles of rubbish. No, still have dirt patches. We have sky here. We have trashes as usual. But we have rivers and stuff. So river dump not so bad. You see me? It's the second time I come up here, so but that's the first time I come that side. Yeah. First time I'm going to shoot the dance video for Dexter Dubs 2050, the dance video. Put the link in the description too as well. And now we come back again for this dance video. So everything Gucci. We're there.
Me no listen to chat up. Chabby no take my dope. Pussy this me no want make me go the fuck. Circle them.